Hey! It's been a little bit. Last video, I mentioned how I felt like I don't have enough fun in my life, and proclaimed April as the month of fun. Well, I did that. And I filmed it. But I decided to stop worrying about editing it all, stop worrying about when it should be uploaded, and whether I should have art connected to everything. I took a break. I'm painting 2 full pages of the things I did in April in my sketchbook, since you won't be seeing any of the footage until at least next video. My month of fun break gave me time to hang out with more friends than I have in months, time to turn 21, and take my first shot, which was out of a plastic toy shark, which is why I painted a shark here, as well as my favorite beer, which is like a pear cider. It was super good. I also got drunk for the first time ever, which was fun. It gave me time to increase the size of my plant collection, which included this like Maramaso moss ball, which I've wanted for a long time. I also got really into cooking, hence the like Brussels sprouts and eggs that you'll see here. And cookies, because I've made about 7 batches of cookies by now. It also gave me time to miss making art. I missed making videos for you and telling you what I'm up to and how I'm feeling. What I didn't miss was all the pressure I've been putting on myself. I've been trying to be as great as all those creators with thousands of fans, millions of subscribers, where videos are their full-time job. You haven't seen how much stress it's been putting on me, but I've been trying to upload every single week, even when I didn't have anything to say, and really no inspiration. In April, I stopped. I took a step back. When I came back in May, I realized no one had really missed any of the work that I'd been putting in. No one was commenting, wondering where I was, and that straight up scared me. I panicked. I wondered, what the heck am I doing with my life? Pouring so much energy into something that might not lead anywhere. I'm not one of those huge YouTubers. I haven't been making videos for 10 years. I don't do this as my full-time job. And maybe I don't want to. My mother asked me if all these thoughts and feelings made me feel like I was spinning like leaves in a windstorm. And I told her I felt more like drowning. So, the water wings and the leaves in this painting. I work part-time at a job I think is pretty fun. I have a social life, not a fantastic one, but it's still there, and I think I'm okay with that. It's okay that YouTube isn't my biggest and only thing, but I seriously love it, and I don't want to stop even if it feels like it'll never lead to anything greater. I love talking to you and putting myself out there because I love making the videos. I'd love to create a safe little art community here on the enormous internet. So if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Mara. If you want to say hi, leave me a comment. I'll say hi back, I promise. And I want to thank Silver Creations, who left me the greatest comment on one of my older videos when I was feeling really, really down. You made me feel less alone, so thank you. If you're wondering about the what now, it's because I'm still kind of trying to figure out what I'm going to be doing next. Still YouTube, of course, but I don't know. I love you. I'll talk to you later.